Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the thunderstorm jellyfish in Fish It Game of Roblox new elemental event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update in Fish It, there is a new island which is called the elemental island. And if you want to open the seal of the island, you need to catch this thunderstorm jelly to open up this area. To unlock this area, you need to offer this thunderstorm jelly to this statue, and then the statue will give you like a light beam, and you need to use the light to open the door. And if you want to catch the thunderstorm jelly guys, you just need to fish in this area. And let me show you the fish index. Okay, this is for the thunderstorm jelly. This is a legendary fish, and you can catch one in 12.5k chance. Okay, and yeah, just fish here. And for your information, I used the Ares rod to catch this fish. If you have better rod, you can use it. Okay, I think you can use the astral rod or the Ares rod or even better rod to catch this legendary fish. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the thunderstorm jelly in Fish It Game of Roblox Elemental Island update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.